Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should sign into your Google account on a trusted device and open security, then two-step verification. This gets you to the exact settings. Once done, make sure your Authenticator app is installed and working on your phone so you won't lose access during recovery. Next, locate the backup codes section and select Show Codes. This step generates the 10 one-time use codes. You're starting with control over both the primary app and the fallback codes to avoid lockout. Now save those codes in multiple safe formats so you can recover when needed. For example, download the TXT file and print a paper copy. This preserves them if your phone is lost. At the same time, store an encrypted digital copy in a password manager or a locked USB drive so you have redundancy. Make sure to avoid plain text cloud notes or shared devices, because unauthorized access to these codes bypasses two steps. When you cannot access your Authenticator app, use one unused backup code at the 2FA prompt. Each code is single-use, so mark it off. Once you have used any code, generate a fresh set immediately and replace all stored copies, because old codes no longer protect you. If codes don't work or are lost, move into account recovery. Use a previously trusted device, recovery email or phone, and follow Google's verification prompts. Quick tip: keep at least one offline paper copy to prevent most lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.